I need a replacement control board, motherboard, for dishwasher Miele G1252 SCi. Any way to undercut Miele extortionate price?
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXXX I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. Sorry for the delay in replying, I only just came online and saw your question. Are you still looking for help with this? If you are, I don't think there is any good news, sorry. Miele pretty much have a stranglehold on the price. Because these neither sell in huge quantities, it is never worth anyone trying to copy it, because they are unlikely to recoup their costs. It's a bit like you can get a set of pattern brake pads for a Ford Fiesta, but not for a Rolls-Royce. That having been said, can you tell me what the cheapest price is you find for a repair and for a new one? Please just use the reply button to contact me. Thanks, Rob.
Miele price was £2.27 plus postage of £6.00 plus. I know which transistor is faulty, but so far could not obtain a singular one, only bulk buying. It had a short as a cockroach lay across it and got sizzled.
Hi whoops, that is about the right price for the new one. Did you get anywhere with a repair? I know a company who may be able to do it. Do you know the number from the board itself? Rob.
The board is at present with a repairer, but he has not been helpful after 3 weeks. I don't have the transistor number at the moment, but I will have to go and retrieve the board to get the number. It was located to a manufacturer in China who was not happy to supply a single transistor. However, I would be happy to receive an address and telephone number of any company whom you think could help. I have the idea that in some European countries the prices vary, just like cars are cheaper in Belgium. Would you know of price differentials for spare parts?
Hi, for Miele parts, they are pretty universal all across Europe and the USA, they have the monopoly. There are 2 companies who may be able to help you, but you will need the number printed on the board. EMW in Nottingham 0115 NNNNNNNBR/Orker in Cumbria. Without a trade agreement with them, you have to email them at contact@ker.biz. I have used both in the past and both have been good. If I can help further, please let me know. In the meantime, can I ask you to take a moment and rate my response? Please use the smiley faces, which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. If you need to ask me anything after rating, please just follow the link in the welcome email. Thanks, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.